Hi there! In this video, we'll talk about how restaurant owners can customize the See Menu and Order button to fit their restaurant branding. In order to do so, they should first navigate to Publishing and Legacy website and then click on the HTML code link. They'll be taken to a new page containing their restaurant-specific HTML code, which they can copy. When clicking on the Read Here How link, restaurant owners will open up a new page called How to Add and Customize the Online Ordering button. There, they'll see detailed instructions on how to make the button stand out on their restaurant website, or how they can add the online ordering button in different website builders. By the way, if they need help with the latter, they can also check out the suggested video that just popped up on the screen. They'll also be able to find the video linked in the description down below. Moving on. On this page, they'll also see info on how to change some properties of the order button, like background color, font size, text color, padding, or border radius. Scrolling further down the page, they'll also find another great website called JSBin. What's great about this website is that they can paste their unique HTML code in there, make changes to it, and then see how the order button will look in the end. Now, onto a small demonstration. Before pasting their own unique restaurant codes, they should make sure to delete the code that's already in the box. Now, let's say that they want to change the text button so it reads Order Now. All they need to do is simply replace the current text, See Menu and Order, in the code with Online Order or Order Now, or any other variation of their choice. How to change the background color of the ordering button. If restaurant owners want to change the color background of the button and turn it red, here's what they need to do. They should go to the How to Add and Customize the Online Ordering button page in Admin. Copy the background color code and paste it within their unique code, right before the greater sign, appearing before the See Menu and Order text. The background color property contains a code starting with the hashtag sign. That code stands for a shade of green. So, to turn the color background of the button into red, restaurant owners simply need to replace the color code with another. To find the right color code, they simply have to go to htmlcolorcodes.com or basically any other color picker website and choose their desired color from there. By the way, we've also added this website to the list of additional resources in the video description down below. So now, they have to add in their desired color code into their restaurant-specific HTML code. How to change the text color of the ordering button. If restaurant owners want to change the text color of the ordering button, they have to copy the color property code from the admin page. Then go to the JSBin website and paste it right before the greater sign, before the See Menu and Order text. To pick their desired color and copy its specific hex code, they should visit the htmlcolorcodes.com. How to change the font size of the ordering button. To make the text inside the button smaller or bigger, they need to copy the font size HTML code from the list and paste it into the JSBin box, right before the greater sign, in front of the See Menu and Order text. They can decrease or increase the font size by replacing 16 with any number they wish. How to change the padding of the ordering button. In order to change the padding of the Order Online button, they should first go to the How to Add and Customize the Online Ordering button page in Admin. They'll then need to copy the padding code and paste it within their unique code, right before the greater sign, in front of the C menu and order text. Then, if they want to adjust the space around the text, they can also change this number with any number, to make it as big or small as they wish. How to change the border radius of the ordering button. If restaurant owners want to change the shape of the border, they should first copy the border radius property code, which is the last in the list of how to customize the C menu and order button. Then, they have to go to the JSBin website and paste it right before the greater sign in front of the C menu and order text. It's important to mention that increasing the number of pixels will result in rounded corners. The more rounded the corners, the higher the value. How to combine all the style properties. If restaurant owners want to make use of all the properties presented so far, they'll simply need to combine all properties in one code like this. They need to copy the already done for them code, which can be found on this admin page. Then, they need to paste it within their unique restaurant code, before the greater sign, in front of the C menu and order text. They can play around with the settings for each property until they're completely satisfied with how it looks. Once they have their final version of the order button, they'll simply have to copy the customized HTML code and paste it on their website or in their website editor of choice. How to center the order button in its container. When wanting to center the order button in its container, restaurant owners have to copy this particular code containing properties like the position of the button. Then they need to paste it within their unique restaurant code, before the greater sign, in front of the C menu and order text. Testing out the customized order button in a Squarespace restaurant website. Now, let's test out the new order button on a website made in Squarespace. By the way, if they need help adding the order button in Duda, Drupal, Joomla, Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, and WordPress, they can also check out the dedicated video linked in the description down below.